Welcome back to Mobile Point. Now for display. Display type, display size, screen to body ratio, resolution, PPI density, refresh rate, protection, dust water resistant. Now for performance. Operating system, chipset, processor, graphic unit. Now for storage, RAM memory, internal memory, memory card. Now for camera, video record, selfie camera. Now for battery capacity, fast charging. Let's go for connectivity. 5G network, fingerprint, Bluetooth, port support, NFC, price. Now for result. Comparison winner.